Everyone, today I would like to talk about some features of ProjectLibre software, which is a project management software with different features. In this video, I'm going to talk about baselines, saving baselines, and setting new calendars. First, I start with baseline. A project baseline is the initial project plan which will be used as a reference of the project in future. We usually use baselines to measure the actual performance of the project against the initial plan. When we draw a Gantt chart of project based on WBS, we can take a snapshot of it and save it for future. To do this, we can go to the file menu or to the task menu. Both of them have save baselines and clear baseline. When we click on save baseline, a pop-up window will appear. We can choose the name of the baseline here, and we can choose if we want to use it for entire project or for selected task only. We usually save in ProjectLibre, we can save up to 11 baselines. We usually save the baseline, for example, when there is a big change in milestones or event of the project. We have delay or earlier start of the project, so we can before adjusting the Gantt chart, we can save baselines for future. So we can click on OK, and now you can see that there is a gray shadow under all the tasks of the Gantt chart. These are our baselines. Now I want to explain another example for you. In this project, the project will assume to start at 25th of November. Assume that our project starts with delay, and we want to adjust our Gantt charts in this project. We insert column, we select the name as actual starts, click on OK, and now, for example, instead of 25, we can go for 26. When we start on enter, you see that our Gantt charts will move, and we have delay here. Another example can be, for example, some of the works like construction may take more more than 5 days. So if we want to adjust again, we can save the baselines. These baselines, I call it baselines 1, and you can see that now we have a new pink baselines. Now I want to adjust the project, adjust the Gantt chart. So I insert a column, I call it as actual finish, and click on OK. So we can go here. For example, if our project instead of 7 days takes instead of 5 days takes 7 days to finish, I can go here and change the finish time to 10th of December and click on OK. You can see against my Gantt charts moved, and I can compare the actual plan with initial plan. This is a very good feature for a project manager because always they can control the process of their project. They can compare the actual schedule and plan with initial plan. Another feature that I would like to talk about today is the calendar. ProjectLibre software has its own calendar. It has a standard calendar that is usable for it uses for drawing the Gantt charts. For example, if we click on Tuesday, it shows that it's As a default, it is working day, and it is from 8. The working time is mentioned here. In this software, the project management has the ability to change the calendar based on their needs, or it can create a new calendars. For example, now I can change this Tuesday to holiday or non-working time. I can click on non-working time and then press OK. So my Gantt chart adjusts because I assume the day as non-working days. So the Gantt chart changed. Or for example, if I want to create new calendar, I can go here, I can put the name. For example, I put it 7 days calendar. I click on OK. In 7 days now we can see that there is different calendars here. Standard, 24 hours, night shift. Night shift is means that on Saturday night they can work, and I create my own calendar 7 days. If I selected it, for example, I can use Saturday and Sunday as a default working day, and I can use it for my tasks. Now I would like to show you how use different calendar for different tasks. For example, here for interior design, I would like to for my interior design task, I would like to select special calendar. I go to calendar, I click on it, and when I see this window, I go to advanced. Here I can change the calendar. For example, I can use standard calendar, or I can use for example night shift calendar for this one, or I can use different kind of calendars for different tasks. It shows that, for example, for example, for my construction, I want to use the calendar that Saturday and Sunday is not holiday, assume as regular working day. It's not assumed as holiday. If I want to use a special calendar for whole of my project, I can go to resource informations, and here in the task calendar I can use different type of calendar. I can choose my calendar. For example, I can change it to standard calendar, and just when I click, it adjusts my project. This is a very good features too, because the project manager can customize the calendar based on the rules, regulation, needs, and use it for some tasks of the project or for entire project. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.